Good morning, Room One friends. Today, I'm at Patapsco State Park. We're going on a nature walk. Let's go. Who knows what type of grass this is? Lots and lots and lots of trees. A beautiful lake.
The other rock.
Beautiful lake.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
What are you holding, Aiden?
A stick. A branch.
A branch. Hi guys, now that we're back from our nature walk, I thought I'd share a story with you about some things that you might see in your backyard. Let's see, it says wild backyard. Bzz, look at that bumblebee. It says robin pecks a berry that falls from a bush. Do you see a bush in your backyard? Bee gathers pollen on a bright, tall flower. Bzzz. Look at that bumblebee. Toad slurps a fly with its long, sticky tongue. Can you stick your tongue out? Look at that toad. Look at him. All those bumps on his back and arms. Wow. Oh, rabbit nibbles leaves until just the stem is left. Hippity hop, 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 hippity hop, hop, hop. Ooh, look at that bunny rabbit. And those beautiful flowers. Do you see flowers blooming yet? Because you know it's spring. Squirrel chews a nut as it sits on a branch. Nibble, 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 nibble. Mole finds worms as it tunnels underground. Look at that mole. What vegetables do you see? I see a beet and a carrot. What do you see? Oh, look at that long worm. How many animals are in your backyard? I think it's time for everybody to go for a nature walk. This week, I challenge all my Room One friends to try something new. Read every day. Very important. Be kind. And most importantly, be a star. See you guys later.